Hi, this is Divyaman. I am the artist of the day. This is VAP 5. Welcome to my world.
This is Sid B in the house at Art by Divyaman in Noida, and I welcome you all to VAP 5. First of all, allow me to wish you a very happy Dussehra and a very happy Diwali, festive season around. However, let me show you what we have in for you today. As I said, I'm at Art by Divyaman Gallery, and allow me to welcome you to meet the fantastic artist, fantastic human being, a royalty, a Rajput from Chongai State in Bihar. Please come in. Jai Maharaj. So Divyaman Singh, thank you so much for letting us into your world of abstract art. You're a fantastic artist, a great human being, as I said, and you being a royalty, your passion for art is immense. So guys, you will see some beautiful abstract paintings that Divyaman is going to introduce you to. Let's stay tuned for what's coming forward.
We have this particular painting which is called The Valley. It is made by oil. It's oil on canvas. The size of this painting is 5 feet by 5 feet. The painting is depicted on Grand Canyon. So I have captured the Grand Canyon during the sunlight, and the price of this painting is 1,20,000 only. We have this particular painting. It is oil on canvas. The title of this painting is Clouds. The size of this painting is 4 feet by 5 feet. This particular painting, as you see, has been shown as gushing of clouds. It is made completely by spatula. The price of this painting is 70,000 rupees only. The title of this painting is Verdant Tapestry. The medium is oil on canvas, and the size is 36 inches into 60 inches, which is 3 feet by 5 feet. This is an oil painting made on a liquid form, so it's a liquid art. It has given a texture in itself, and it is based on forest. The price of this painting is 80,000 rupees. So this particular piece of art is called Sea Waves. It is made by oil on canvas. The medium is oil on canvas. The size of this painting is 4 feet by 5 feet. I have shown the sea waves merged with sky. The price of this painting is 75,000 rupees only. So we have this piece of art, it's called Darksome Valley. This painting is again oil on canvas. The size of this painting is 5 feet by 5 feet. What you see is I have used spatula to create this painting. It's again Grand Canyon in the dark, and the orange color which you see in between is the fall of the moonlight. It's my prediction, and that's how I've shown it with the still river. The price of this painting is 1,20,000 only.
Well guys, I hope that you really appreciated the 5 paintings that were talked about by Divyaman Singh by himself. And now is the time for an extremely beautiful lady, a very talented woman, to be a part of the show as a special guest. We have Nidhi Taneja, who's a motivational speaker and an art therapist. One of a kind of a lady. Let's welcome her. Thank you so much for coming by to Art by Divyaman.
Thank you, Siddharth.
And how do you feel being here?
It's an experience for me. It's beautiful.
Yeah. So now you'll get an opportunity to actually go and give your feedback to Divyaman Singh for his paintings, right? So there are 5 of them.
I'm looking so forward for that.
Superb. Let's go.
So here, if I see as a lame person, it's like complete blast of colors. And it's so beautiful because pink, red and the yellow is the color of happiness, love, emotions. सब कुछ emotion इसमें भर डाला है. So whosoever will buy this painting, they will have best of emotions in their life. It's a wonderful piece, Divyaman. For the moment I have seen this painting, the first thought which came to my mind is intellect. Because it's brain, full of thoughts, clouds. हमारी जो thinking है, it's full of clouds, visionary. So it's amazingly depicted here. So person who has more intellect will choose this painting because of its creativity, the mental ability. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
And we have a beautiful painting. It's green. Green is the color of healers and it is serene. So whosoever will look at this painting, it is all about nature. So it's a wonderful piece of and a paisa vasool kind of painting.
Thank you.
So after looking at this painting, Divyaman, the first thought it will come in anyone's mind is peace. So once they reach home, it's a peaceful atmosphere at home. It's such a beautiful creation of yours. A mix, a blend of colors, the sea and the skies is the one time buy and these people will fall for you. Peace.
Thank you.
The first thought which came in my mind after looking at this painting is like hermit. It is the situation, Divyaman, when a person is evolving, emerging his skills, his areas in life. It's a deep thinking situation, answers are being paid from the universe. The still water, it signifies emotions, a pause in a life. It's a wonderful deep impact painting you created.
Thank you.
Guys, thank you so much for seeing Web 5 the episode, and I hope that we have your blessings all the time with us. I thank Divyaman Singh the artist, and I also thank Nidhi Taneja, a motivation speaker and art therapist, to be a part of this episode. I wish that all of you enjoyed the Diwali and the Dussehra and love you all. You take care.